Hello musketeers. If you did get it for your little one, what you could do, add a stool or a chair, whatever height you are. I don't need it because I'm a midget. So don't forget what I started with. I started with this rod, got comfortable with my head movements, also hand-eye coordination. So there you go, 2 for the price of 1. But if you do think you're getting too good at it, what you could do, change the original ball to a lighter one. It does change the speed of the rod. So yeah, you can do that for your little one too. If you think if he or she is getting too good at it, change it. Don't forget, as they get taller, you can adjust the height at the bottom there.